You've cheated, you've apologized, you've made some changes, but she still doesn't trust you, and now you're both frustrated. I'm Coach Nate. I help men restore their marriages, rebuild trust, and gain back their integrity after betrayal. I've walked this path myself. I know exactly how to overcome it. If you're serious about breaking the cycle, listen closely. This is the part that most men can't figure out on their own. Here is why you are stuck. Most men try to rebuild trust with the same mindset that broke it. You changed your behavior, but you didn't change your identity. Your wife can feel when you're trying to perform instead of transform. You're trying to convince her instead of becoming the man she can trust. Restoration doesn't start with her believing you. It starts with God restoring you. That's the audience of one mindset shift that I teach men. Because when a man lives for God first, he builds a consistency and a strength that she can feel. Trust gets rebuilt in your walk, not in your words. Here's the truth. Most men never make it past this part. They try for a few weeks, they change a few behaviors, and before you know it, they get discouraged, they slip back, and they're fragile and broken all over again. But when you have a guide, someone who's lived it, rebuilt it, and knows the exact steps, now you're not guessing, you start healing. If you're in the season where nothing you do feels like enough, send me the word restore. I'll help you walk the same path that I did, from the old you to the restored you.